Hello students, welcome to the Deepti Visual Schools digital learning classes. Here we are learning Computer of class 8 from Rahul sir. Operating system and GUI role and functions. An operating system OS is an essential component of a computer system. It is the system software that manages computer hardware and software resources and provide common services of a computer program made of operating system. In earlier days, users have to design the application according to the internal structure of the hardware. Operating system was needed to enable the user to design the application without concerning the details of the computer internal structure. It is an interface between the computer and hardware and user. Functions of operating system. The main function of operating systems are process management. The process management takes care of the creation and deletion of processes, scheduling of various system resources, and providing mechanism for synchronization and communication among processes. Memory management. The memory management modules takes care of the allocation and reallocation of memory space to the various programs. File management. Computer uses a lot of data and programs that are stored in secondary storage devices. File management involves the keeping track of all different files and maintaining the integrity of data stored in the file. Security. The security modules protect the resources and information of a computer system against the destruction and unauthorized access. Command interpretation. The command interpretation takes care of interpreting user command and directing the system resources to handle the requests. Input output or device management. This involves the receiving the request for I/O, interrupts, and communicating back to the requesting process. Job control. Using operating system job control language or JCL, the user can communicate with the operating system for telling what to do. Uses of operating system. Easy interaction between the user and computer. Starting computer operation automatically after power on. Loading and scheduling the user's program. Controlling input and output. Controlling programs executions. Managing uses of main memory. Providing security to user's program. Types of operating systems. There exist several types of operating systems. Single user operating system. Single user operating system is a type of operating systems OS that is developed and intended for use on a computer or similar machine that will only have a single usage at any given time. This is the most common type of OS used on a home computer as well as one computer in offices and other work environment. Single user OS is that OS which support only one user at a time. Example: DOS, Windows 95, 97, 98, Windows 2000 Professional, etc. Multi-user operating system. A multi-user operating system has been designed for more than one user to access the computer at the same or the different time. There are several different types of multi-user systems.